Thus 1 cup will speed up the burning of belly fat and get a flat belly quickly. Today, I will show you a powerful drink that's proven to speed up your metabolism to help you burn belly fat in less than 2 weeks. If you have been looking for ways to lose belly fat unsuccessfully, this drink will help you start seeing results quickly. This belly fat burning drink consists of only natural ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Before going on to the recipe, we want to know your age and the country you are living in. Leave a comment below this video and we will provide the weight loss recipes using natural ingredients available in your country. Then, click to the subscribe button and turn on the beside little notification bell in order not to miss our next videos. The first ingredient is black tea. Black tea is loaded with antioxidants that help eliminate toxins and burn belly fat. The flavonoids presenting in black tea can prevent inflammation-induced obesity and lower triglyceride levels and visceral fats. In addition, the calories in black tea are negligible, thus 2 calories per cup. This makes it a great weight loss drink. It also has 0% saturated fat and cholesterol. Now, add 1 teaspoon of loose leaf black tea into a cup, or you can use a tea bag. The next ingredient of this recipe is green tea. Like black tea, green tea also contains antioxidants that helps lose belly fat. Besides, the polyphenols presenting in green tea help boost the metabolism, helping speed up the rate at which your body burns calories. Studies reveal that green tea consumption can boost metabolism by up to 4%. Now, add 1 tea bag of green tea into the cup, or you can use 1 teaspoon of loose leaf green tea. Next, pour 1 cup of water into a saucepan. Put the saucepan on the stove and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool down for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, pour hot water into the cup of tea. Cover the cup and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. When time is up, remove the tea bag. Then, pour everything into a strainer to strain the tea and remove the leaf black tea. Next, we will mix the tea with ground cinnamon. Cinnamon can help you lose belly fat by suppressing your appetite, regulating blood sugar levels, and speeding up metabolism. In addition, cinnamon may help increase blood fat in subcutaneous fat cells. This is good for people with belly fat because belly fat is white fat. Consuming cinnamon can help turn the white fat into brown. Brown fat is a good fat because it helps turn food into a usable energy source. Now add 1/4 or 1½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon into the cup. Next, add 1 lemon and cut it in quarters. Then, squeeze the juice of 1/4 or 1½ of a lemon into the cup. Lemons can help you lose weight because they contain vitamin C and antioxidants that promote good digestion. Lemons also have diuretic properties, which help in detoxifying the body, thus helping to burn fat. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of honey to sweeten the tea. Mix all ingredients together and your belly fat burning drink is ready. Take it before breakfast and before dinner, preferably 2 cups a day to help boost the metabolism and burn belly fat. If you have a sensitive stomach, take it about 45 minutes to an hour after the meals.